Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing. This is a big one and it's not mine. I'm at Odendia to pick up a pair of speakers for myself, and while I was here chatting, they got a delivery of this one. And so I asked them, can't I do an unboxing video and show my viewers this GENELEC 7370A-6. This is a big subwoofer, 12-inch. Maybe it doesn't sound so big, a 12-inch subwoofer, but this weighs 70 kilos. So this is a big one. And I'm gonna stay here this evening just to help out with calibration of the subwoofer to match up with the speakers, so I can show you. I hope some of you like this video or these kind of videos that I do sometimes with speakers. So yeah, gonna show you unboxing, and if I am allowed, I'm gonna show you the smaller sizes, the stepbrothers of this subwoofer. And then in another video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate, because it's really super simple to calibrate when you have the sound system. So yeah, GENELEC 7370A-6 12-inch subwoofer. So I'm going to unbox this big box and show you how it looks. All right, this was a hard unboxing to do. I cut myself quite bad. That wooden box, you don't want to unbox that yourself. But here it is, and I thought that when I'm going to open the wooden box, that there will be freaking light. I don't know what to protect the subwoofer, but the subwoofer was actually as big as the box. This is all the kind of dampening that works. This is it. So this is the front side. Here you have the connections. I'm going to show you that closer up. There you have everything you might need and some more. So when you have a subwoofer like this with the sound system, you use the subwoofer as a hub, I think I will call it, and then you connect your speakers to this one. So yet another way to make sure that you have as short cables and as few cables as possible with your active speakers. Of course, this is also active, just like the GENELEC speakers. The power is 400 watts, and it goes as low as 19 hertz, and it plays as loud as 118 decibel. So this is a big bad one. Let me see how I rotate this for you. This is the front side. This is just crazy. To have this in your house, this is just crazy. And Odendia has already sold 2 of them just recently. So there are 2 people having a subwoofer like this in their home. And in the showroom, they have sort of a home setup. So I'm going to show you with the 8351 speakers, I think I'm going to show them with, to calibrate subwoofer with them. So this is for this unboxing video, I think. The next one is going to be another video, more boring if you don't like it, and I'm going to show you the comparison between this and a 10-inch, and if I'm allowed, I'm going to put the 8, 10 and 12-inch side by side so you can see, because here in the showroom they have just about everything. So yeah, I'm gonna do this in this video actually. But anyway, subscribe, please, comment, like, and I'll be right back with the smaller brothers of the subwoofer. Okay, I think this is enough. I don't have to show you the 8-inch, because when I took out the 10-inch, I remembered it as much bigger But when we have this one now, the 12-inch, that just looks like your small, ordinary subwoofer. But keep in mind, that is just absolutely good enough. And the 8-inch that I have at home as well, I'm super satisfied with this one. So this 12, this is gigantic. And the size difference that we have between the 10 and the 12, we have the same size difference between the 12 and the 15 as well. So yeah, GENELEC has speakers in all your sizes and budgets and demands. I think this is it for this video. 7370A AB-6, I think it's called, the GENELEC 12-inch subwoofer, active, of course. Yeah, I hope you like my video. I hope that you all are already subscribing, or else please subscribe. Comment. I really like when you ask me questions because I really like to help you guys. So yeah, feel free to comment. Thanks.